Hello guys, this is me Dr. Chenali Pitroda and in this video I am going to tell you फिजियोथेरेपी की क्या एडवांटेजेस है, क्या डिसएडवांटेजेस है, उसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है एंड द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन how I selected physiotherapy after my 12th science. So let me tell you the importance of physiotherapy. Physiotherapy is very important because it plays vital role throughout your entire lifespan. आपने ये तो सुना ही होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं कि फिजियोथेरेपी एक ऐसी फील्ड है जो बचपन से लेकर बुढ़ापे तक ट्रीट करती है. So what else you want? This is the line, bro. So it is the most important field because they treat the patients from the birth till the old age. And who doesn't want to be healthier in their old age? Everyone wants that. बुढ़ापे में भी हमें जवानी रहना है. So the best part of physiotherapy is this, that you treat every patient at every moment of their life. So let me tell you the advantages of physiotherapy. You all know that physiotherapy is growing field, and if you are pursuing your career as a physiotherapy, or if you want to, then the first most important advantage is job satisfaction. So if the patient is coming with the pain, एक पेशेंट आता है पेन लेके आता है, ऐसे मुंह चिढ़ा के आता है और आपकी ट्रीटमेंट के बाद वो ऐसे स्माइल करके जा रहा है, सो इससे बढ़िया क्या ही हो सकता है. दिस इज द मोस्ट सेटिस्फैक्टरी मूवमेंट एंड who don't want this movement in their life because someone else is getting back to that routine with your treatment. So this is the best thing in your life. You get lots of blessings in that way. The second important is you will work with the diverse healthcare professionals, like you are working with the MDs, MS, like cardiologists, neurologists, orthopedics, pediatricians, and also working with the nursing staff, MOs, medical officers. So this is the best way. The third most important advantage is that you can get a variety of स्पेशलाइजेशन. लाइक आपने अपनी बैचलर्स ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी कंप्लीट कर ली है एंड इफ यू आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर द मास्टर्स ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी यू कैन चूज पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर ऑर्थोपेडिक, न्यूरोलॉजी, कार्डियोपल्मोनोलॉजी, and two another are there, that is women's health and community rehab, also musculoskeletal physiotherapist. So these are the fields where you can opt after your bachelor's of physiotherapy. And the fourth important advantage is that you will treat the patient, so it's an hands-on approach. So you can foster your interactions with the patient, direct contact with the patient, and the last thing is, and this is a very important thing, is global career opportunity. So after completion of your bachelor's of and masters, you can work as a physiotherapist outside India, that is abroad, and the countries like Australia, UK, Canada, and USA. These are the global countries where you can work as a physiotherapy, and in these countries physiotherapy is in great demand because everyone is knowing about physiotherapy, what is the importance of physiotherapy. So there you can work as a physiotherapist. The disadvantages, like you will thought that I'll give you the list of disadvantages. मैं अभी आपके सामने अभी पूरा लिस्ट खोल के रख दूंगी. नहीं भाई, there is not a single disadvantage. If you are opting to choose your career as a physiotherapist, then this is the best opportunity for you because I had already given you the advantages and I am a proud physio. So I think this is the best field for me as well as for those who want to grow in their life, because this is a continuous learning, growing and learning field. So this is what my viewpoint is for physiotherapy. So now I have to answer the last question, like how I choose my career as a physiotherapy. So after completion of my 12th science, I was doing gym, and at that point of time, like 5 साल पहले मेरी पीटी थी, जिम ट्रेनर थी, वो फिजियोथेरापिस्ट थी. Like we were discussing something and I suddenly asked her a question like what she had done, what degree. So she mentioned that she is a physiotherapist, and at that point I heard it for the first time, the term itself. सो मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि फिजियोथेरेपी होता क्या है. देन आई गो होम एंड आई सर्च इट. और तब तो मैंने बहुत सारा सर्च किया था बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑप्टिंग फॉर द माई थिंग वॉज आई वॉन्ट टू ऑप्ट एंड बिकम MBBS. मुझे गायनेक ही बनना था उस टाइम पे बिकॉज बहुत सारी मेहनत के बाद मुझे मिल भी रहा था राजस्थान में. फिर भी आई चूज फिजियोथेरेपी बिकॉज आई गो थ्रू द ऑल द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. मैंने बहुत सारी लिस्ट बनाई थी अपने करियर के बारे में क्या लेना है, क्योंकि एट दैट पॉइंट दैट इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. You have to choose very very wisely, because after that if you will choose a wrong field and you will regret, तो बहुत ही गड़बड़ हो जाएगी भाई. इससे अच्छा तो बहुत सारे दिन लिए थे मैंने. लाइक आई टेक 3-4 weeks to choose my career, and then at the end I decided to land upon physiotherapy. So this was my journey. So now you guys know that what are the importance, advantages and disadvantages of physiotherapy. Also you know one thing, that how I selected my career as a physiotherapist. So this was all about this video. And if you guys feel any difficulty, like what you want to know more about physiotherapy, so please DM me or drop me a comment like what is your difficulty. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.